Hello, everyone. It's Mrs. Stover here with a special edition of Energy Broadcast. Are you ready for a real-world energy connection? The X Games are all about energy. Extreme sport athletes, like skaters. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. We interrupt this energy broadcast station because Garrett Boozer has an energy-related demonstration. Yes, we're back. Well, thank you, Garrett, for that wonderful demonstration. Clearly, you're one of the up-and-coming extreme sport athletes. People, you'll have to look for him in the next Olympics. So, we're back with our energy broadcast. And as I was saying, extreme sport athletes like Garrett Boozer and Tony Hawk, they know how to harness the power of potential energy. Let's get back to the action. Oh my goodness, folks. Was he playing ping pong at the end there? So anyway, back to our broadcast. Garrett and Tony and athletes like them have mastered the art of energy conversions. Now, folks, it's your turn.